Hey guys, welcome back to Shubhyo. Today I am going to do a podcast on the 4 ways in which I have adapted to the new normal. Actually, this was my SUPW project, but I thought that it would be good if I share my thoughts and my feelings with you guys, and therefore I just hold a YouTube podcast session where I would just tell you about the things which I generalized during this lockdown, and I hope that at the end of the podcast you would get some kind of motivation and some kind of good vibes from this podcast. So without further delay, let's start the podcast. There are many ways in which I have adapted to this new normal, but I will list 4. So the first one is be present, try not to worry about the future. Lot of things are out of our control, like the pandemic. We have to make the most out of it. So I had to cancel my travel. In a way, I was happy to be home and decided to concentrate on a couple of things like getting back to regular exercise routine. This further led me to meditation practice and lot of self-reflection exercises. It has made me stronger, calmer and rested. The second one is channelize the excess energy into doing things I love. Yes, we are locked up in our homes, but think about all the time and energy spent rushing around in the traffic. The same energy and time can be used to reconnect with family and friends, or reacquaint yourself with hobbies, new or old. For me, I used to improve my graphic designing, speaking and coding skills. Through the various online media, I have spoken at several events, almost a couple every week. Third one is prioritize the people and things that matter. If nothing else, this time has shown us that we can survive the very worst, but life is too short. The virus can strike any moment and take a loved one away. Let's reach out to the ones who matter and express love and gratitude. Forgive past mistakes and be mindful and conscious about what we have. And the last way in which I have adapted to the new normal is by being kind to myself and others. We are tired of hearing that this is a period of pause and reset. But to be honest to you, look around you. That's exactly what the world needed, and the universe gave us that to remind us to be kind to ourselves and others. It took just a month of locking up humans at home for the earth to regenerate itself, for rivers, animals, birds and plants to thrive, and for the air to breathe again. So what stops us from taking that pause to breathe in? We have so many examples of individuals and communities reaching out, helping each other get through this crisis. It is the inspiration we need to remind us that at heart we all are good and kind. These are the things by which I have adapted to this new normal, and I hope that you got some positive vibes from this podcast. And if you do, please subscribe and share as well as like my channel, so that I get motivation to make quality podcasts and videos on my channel, and you can get notifications of my video as soon as possible. So till then, stay safe and do whatever you want, my lovely friends. Meet you in next such podcast, and so till then, adios.